Alright, today we are upgrading this key fob. We are going to be replacing it with this case made by Dubs Hardware. It comes with everything you need, and this process is pretty simple. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up your existing key and get out the mechanicals. Press this button, remove your mechanical key, insert it right here, and pry that apart. Go ahead and remove your circuit board. Alright, now that you have that out, let's go ahead and lay these out. Let's put our buttons in. Okay, so your buttons are going to look like that. I'll go ahead and put this rubber grommet in and place the control board in. Now in your little kit here, you've got 4 screws and the spring for your mechanical key. So once you have the fob like this, go ahead and close this up. And this is going to kind of, you want to make sure this latch is faced towards where the mechanical key gets inserted in. Spread that a little bit, just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and put our 4 screws in. Alright, all the screws are in. Let's go ahead and insert the mechanical key. It's got a nice design, it's very reliable, very sturdy. You can see the light still works there, so you're all set. You don't have to reprogram the key or anything like that. Hope you found this quick video helpful. If it was, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Take care.